We are using Microsoft Copilot for almost 3 years now. But now Cowork agent is available. So how this Cowork agent is different from Microsoft Copilot? Let's see the comparison of Copilot and Cowork. Let's understand each aspect of comparison. Copilot is basically an AI assistant, whereas Cowork is AI coworker. It actually executes tasks. Copilot take prompt from you and give back your response, whereas Cowork take prompt for you, plan, execute and give the output in terms of files or execution steps. To Copilot you ask questions and Copilot really do multiple jobs for you by single prompt. Copilot is reactive AI and Cowork is agentic AI. Copilot generally handles single task, whereas Cowork for multi-step workflows. Here is the main difference. It only suggests you task or draft content for you, whereas Cowork can perform multiple actions like sending emails, working on Teams channels, and many other things on your behalf in single prompt. Cowork prompts may run for many days and hours, depending on your goal. Cowork can handle end-to-end working of an organization. When you work with Cowork, based on the given prompt, Cowork can handle tasks across multiple applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and any third-party software as well. Cowork have very high autonomy as compared to Copilot. Cowork run the work in background and it asks for permissions and approvals whenever required, as tasks may run over many days or the hours. In case of Cowork, you can expect output as multiple files or execution of the steps like updation of the documents, creation of folder in the Outlook, and SharePoint as well. So in case of Cowork, we have complete approval and rejection process as per the requirement of the goal of the Cowork prompt. So Copilot Cowork in terms of enterprise use is for end-to-end execution of multiple jobs via single prompt. So based on this comparison, now we'll see all these things in action in the demonstration of Copilot Cowork.